Hello, welcome to Dinnerpiece channel. Today we are going to talk about Ivan Pavlov's behavioral learning theory. Ivan Pavlov's behavioral learning theory, known as classical conditioning, is a learning process where an association is formed between a neutral stimulus and a stimulus that naturally elicits a response. This process explains how organisms learn to anticipate events and associate previously neutral stimuli with specific responses. Pavlov's famous experiment with dogs demonstrated this by showing that dogs could salivate at the sound of a bell, which was initially a neutral stimulus after it was repeatedly paired with food. Explanation of classical conditioning. Unconditioned stimulus. A stimulus that naturally triggers a response without any prior learning, like food naturally causing salivation in dogs. Unconditioned response. The automatic reaction to DUS, such as salivation, occurs when food is presented. Neutral stimulus. A stimulus that does not initially trigger a response, like the sound of a bell. Conditioned stimulus. The neutral stimulus that, after repeated pairing with DUS, comes to elicit a response. Conditioned response. The learned response to the CS, such as salivating when the bell is rung, results from associating it with food. In Pavlov's experiment, we can conclude the dogs naturally salivated when they saw food. A bell was introduced and repeatedly paired with the food. After repeated pairings, the dogs began to salivate when they heard the bell even without seeing food. Key points about classical conditioning. It is a fundamental learning process where associations are formed through experience. It explains how we learn to associate stimuli and anticipate events, like salivating at the smell of food or feeling anxiety before a test. Is distinct from operant conditioning where behaviors are learned through consequences, reinforcement, or punishment. Thanks for watching.